Guys, Vanquish just dropped their latest off-road crawler, the VS4-10 Fordyce RTR. The VS4-10 Fordyce is a retro-inspired truck with the modern rugged durability that Vanquish Products is known for. It features the VFD spec transmission, F10 straight axles, and Fordyce body with bed sides. Included on the VS4-10 is a full-function digital 4-channel VT1 transmitter with multiple model memory and endpoint adjustment, making the VS10 Fordyce ready to be equipped with optional radio-controlled accessories such as a winch, light controller, or dig. Out of the box, the VFD spec comes with 6.5% overdrive, powered by a 35-turn VM1 motor and VE1 3S-capable ESC. But wait, even with all its bells and whistles, the $459 price tag is quite steep for this rig. And with so many crawlers out there, is it worth the $400+ price tag? And is this the right crawler for you? Should you buy it? Let's find out and watch before you buy in this episode of RCReviewed.com. Here at RC Reviewed, we do all the groundwork and research on the latest RCs and upgrades, so you don't have to. There's no need to watch video after video, read through exhaustive spec pages, or scour countless forums. Our review videos summarize everything you need to know to make the right decision. So watch till the end as we count down the top 5 crawl features of the VS4-10 Fordyce you must know before buying. And guys, watch this video and win your free RC. Winning an RC has never been more easier, and who doesn't want a free RC? So don't miss out. Stick around till the end and we'll let you know how. But before we do, let's pick the winner of our 1,000 subscriber draw. A big congratulations to Aaron Putman on winning our 1,000 subscriber draw. You win the Losi Mini 2.0. Remember to watch till the end to win your free RC at our next draw. Let's get into the top 5 crawl features of the VS4-10 Fordyce. Number 5. Bulletproof transmission. The VS4-10's Vanquish VFD transmission is designed to provide an optimal balance of performance, scale appearance, strength, and versatile optional accessories. The design places the motor forward and as low as possible to keep the weight where you want it. Out of the box, the VFD transmission provides a 6.5% overdrive to provide better tuning and climbing performance without taxing your electronics. The T-case utilizes unique replaceable bearing plates to provide adjustable bearing positioning. The modular design of the bearing plates allows for optimal gear ratios used inside the T-case. The VFD transmission is compatible with both 540-sized brushed and brushless motors. Number 4. High-powered drive system. The VS4-10's VE1 ESC is 3S LiPo compatible and includes a strong BEC to power servo functions. The built-in jumpers can be moved to adjust LiPo cutoff and drag brake strength. The VE1 ESC comes factory-tuned specifically for your VS4-10 Fordyce. The VE1 ESC is our version of the Hobbywing 1060, one of the most trusted RTR ESCs on the market. The VS4-10 comes with a VM1 35T brushed motor. The VM1 motor is a closed bell-end design, tuned for the VS4-10 to provide trail torque with plenty of speed to conquer the roughest terrain with confidence. The VS1 Metal Gear servo tackles the steering duty on the VS4-10 Fordyce with 200 ounce-in of torque. Ready for all elements, the VS1 servo is water-resistant and durable with its metal gears and 25-tooth output spline for industry-standard servo horns. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. By subscribing, you stand a chance to win your free RC in our subscriber giveaways. We will let you know how you can win at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Liking and subscribing also helps our channel grow and helps us bring you more content like this. So please, support us. Number 3. Pro Tuning Radio System. The VS4-10 Fordyce's VT1 digital 4-channel transmitter provides industry-leading features and tuning capabilities in an RTR. With a 15-model memory, multi-channel endpoint and rate adjustment, digital screen and multi-position switches for the third and fourth channel, your VS4-10 Fordyce is factory-ready for additional servos and accessories to be connected and controlled with the reliability and precision only Vanquish can offer. Number 2. All-terrain wheels and tires. KMC Riot Beadlock wheels and Falcon Wild Peak MT tires offer a new combination of performance on the VS4-10 Fordyce. The new 3-piece KM237 KMC Riot wheel features a 2-half design that is derived from the Vanquish product's aluminum beadlock wheels that set the standard for all other RC wheels. The wheel halves are bolted together using 8 screws on the backside for easy mounting of the Falcon Wild Peak tires. The inner bead is held in place with a molded inner clamp ring that is shared with the aluminum beadlocks made by Vanquish. This allows for the use of optional brass or aluminum inner clamp rings for an added layer of tuning to your Fordyce. Guys, let us know in the comments which RCs and upgrades you're thinking about getting, and we'll review it so you can watch before you buy. Number 1. Unbreakable chassis. The VS4-10 chassis is made to provide you with a balance of scale looks and unhindered performance. The steel C-channel provides scale detail, while the molded front and rear cross members fill the chassis rails in the highest stress locations for ultimate strength and provide features like dual servo mounts, winch line routing, and a fuel cell. The molded rock sliders come with a replaceable tapered outer portion that perfectly fits the Fordyce body. The panhard mount on the chassis is made from machined aluminum to withstand the impacts of severe trail conditions. Molded shock towers capture the top of the 90mm incision S8E shocks in double shear for maximum support. Narrow molded front and rear bumpers maximize clearances while improving approach and departure angles. So now that you know the top 5 crawl features of the VS4-10 Fordyce, should you buy it? What's our verdict? Well, with its bulletproof transmission, high-power drive system, pro-tuning radio system, all-terrain wheels and tires, and most importantly its unbreakable chassis, make the VS4-10 Fordyce the perfect rig for mid to pro level RC trail drivers, and if you're in this category, you should go for it. However, if you're just starting out with RC crawling, the $459 price tag is quite steep, and you may want to consider some of the other great entry-level crawlers, or even try out many of the 1:18 or 1:24 scale mini crawlers. As you develop your skills, you can transition over to a rig like the VS4-10. So, if you're a mid to pro level trail driver, and you haven't already, rush to get your Vanquish VS4-10 Fordyce RTR today. If you've liked this video, and would like to know the latest and best RCs and upgrades, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Guys, as promised, here's how you can win your free RC. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Step 2. Let us know in the comments which feature from the video you like the most. Step 3. Watch this video till the end, and let us know the number 1 feature. Fill in your answer and enter the draw at rcreviewed.com/win. It's as simple as that. And remember to follow us on Instagram at rcreviewed_YouTube to know if you win. All winners are announced live on Instagram and our social pages. So, now that you know the top 5 crawl features of the VS4-10 Fordyce, click below to know about the latest low-C motocross bike and its secret upgrades no one knows about. Until now.